Hello students, a very happy and cheerful morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health. So students, as you all know, in your subject science, we have started with very interesting chapter. Yes, chapter number 10, light, sound and force. I hope till now you all are clear with the concept of light, sound, that is loud voice and soft voice, right? And force, friction, right? So now we will start with our exercise portion. Take out your textbook and solve with me. So I hope you have read the new words, that means the keywords of your chapter which are given at the end. Now we will move towards exercise, page number 71. A. Tick the correct answer. You have to tick the correct option. Okay, let us read the question. Number 1. To move an object, we have to apply force greater than the force of dash. To move an object, we have studied we have to apply force and the force should be greater than the force of, let us see the options, friction, motion, pull. Think the answer? Yes, the force should be greater than friction. Okay children? So, option A will be your answer. Number 2. Whispering is a dash sound. Whispering means जब हम हमारी friend के कान में धीरे से कुछ बोलते हैं. So, that is which kind of sound? Let us see. Loud, unpleasant or soft. So, it is a soft sound. So, your answer will be option C. Next, number 3. Dash can move a resting object. This object is at rest. Now, if I want to move this object, I will apply, yes, force. So, let us find our answer. Friction, no. Light, no. Force will be the correct answer. Okay. Number 4. Which of the following is a luminous object? Luminous object, I hope you remember the objects which give us light. Bulb, bulb gives us light. Yes. Pencil gives us light. No. Book, no. So answer will be bulb. Okay. Moving to the next, 5th one. When an object blocks the path of a light. When an object blocks the path of a light. So, a dash is formed. We have studied and I have also shown you the video. Yes, let us see the options. Sound is formed, shadow is formed or cloud is formed. Yes, very simple. Shadow is formed, right? I hope you have understood the MCQ part. Moving towards now exercise B. Fill in the blanks with the help of given words. For each blank, 2 options have been given. Okay, let us see. First, we see non-luminous objects. Non-luminous means which do not gives us light. We see non-luminous objects when light dash them, when light falls on them or when light passes through them. So, जब हमको कोई चीज़ देखनी हो, so what happens? Light falls on them. Only then we are able to see. So, falls on will be your answer. You have to copy this correctly in the space given. Number 2. The size of a shadow changes due to change in the dash. The size of a shadow changes due to change in the dash of the sun. See, जो shadow की size है वो change हो जाती है. Why? Because change in the size of the sun or position of the sun. Yes, position of the sun. So, position will be the right answer. Okay. Then, number 3. A book. Number 4. Number 3. A book is a dash object. A book is a dash object. Let us see the option. Luminous or non-luminous? Book हमको light देती है? No. So book will be a non-luminous object. Okay. Number 4. We should speak dash. We should speak. जब हम किसी से बात करते हैं, we should speak softly or loudly. So we should speak softly, right? So softly will be your answer. So children, complete this in your textbook. Okay. Now exercise C. Look at the pictures and write the effects of force. While I was explaining you the topic force, we have discussed the 3 effects of force. So see, I will give you the hint. The boy is applying the force, and force can change the shape of an object, and force can stop a moving object. So this you will write by yourself. Okay. This you will write by yourself as your homework. One more homework I will give you, very interesting, your favorite part, puzzle. Okay, you will solve this puzzle across and down, and we will discuss it in live class. So I hope this is clear for you. So we'll meet in the next video lesson. Till then, take care, keep smiling. God bless you.